Today, let's talk about storytelling and marketing. This is one of those concepts that feels almost, I don't know, obvious. But the truth is, it's a strategic powerhouse. When you frame your marketing around a compelling story, you're not just selling a product or a service, you're building a connection, an experience, something that sticks in your audience's mind way beyond a click or a like. So, why stories? Well, our brains are like hardwired to respond to them. It's been shown that stories can actually activate more areas of the brain than just plain facts or data. Think about it. If I said, this smoothie has 25 grams of protein, no added sugar, and costs $5, it's fine, right? But if I said Lisa's long workdays inspired her to create a smoothie that gave her the energy to juggle her job and her passion for hiking without skipping a beat, suddenly it's personal. We're not just talking stats anymore. We're picturing Lisa feeling her hustle and maybe even about to grab that smoothie ourselves. And yeah, the coolest part is that storytelling works at both ends of the spectrum. For big brands, think Apple, Nike, they're masters at weaving storytelling into their company DNA. But for small businesses, it's just as, if not more important. Why? Well, because a story about a local coffee shop supporting its community during tough times can feel way more authentic, more approachable than a generic ad from a faceless corporation. Now, crafting these stories can be tricky. You've got to think about your audience first. What do they care about? What are their struggles, their dreams? A good story needs to resonate. Like, have you ever watched a commercial that made you tear up, even though it was, I don't know, a soda ad or something? That's emotional resonance, and it's gold in marketing. One tool I love is structuring stories with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Create a character, whether it's you, your customer, or sometimes even your product. Show their journey, the challenges they overcome, and where they end up. This kind of arc is so powerful because it gives your audience something to root for. It's like they're right there with you. And this doesn't always mean getting super elaborate. Some of the best storytelling happens naturally, like replying to a question in your Instagram comments with an anecdote about how you started your business. Little bits of storytelling like that add up, they build trust. So, really, the takeaway here is that storytelling isn't just a trending buzzword in marketing. It's a tool. It helps you relate to your audience, differentiate your brand, and honestly, it makes marketing so much more fun. I mean, who doesn't love a good story, right? And that's it for today. I hope this gives you something to think about as you craft your own stories to share. Until next time, take care and happy marketing.